Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with Tara, CEO of Banyan Gold. I just wanted to catch up with you really quickly and talk about what's going on at AurMac. You said something a little bit ago that just really got my attention, and you're going to be updating that resource. It seems like this is a time where you guys are strong-footed and have a lot of promise. Tell me a little bit about what you're finding out there.
Well, we've got the drills turning as we speak. We've got 3 drills out there. We're already 7,000 meters into our program this year. We have that existing 4 million ounce inferred resource, but we're planning to update that by mid-year based on last year's drilling. We drilled 50,000 meters, so roughly 46,000 of that was focused on expanding the AurMac resource. And that update, I think, will really show that this is a tier 1 asset and put us in a new game field. Lots of tier 1 assets that are pretty rare. Having the existing infrastructures that we have with roads, a power line across the property, cell phone service, low strip ratio deposit. The power line deposit strip ratio was 0.34 to 1. That's exceptionally low. Most are, 1.5, 3. 1 is considered a good strip ratio, 1 to 1. So that's right on surface, this mineralization in a jurisdiction where you can actually permit a mine. So I think that puts us in a pretty unique position. And we know we're continuing to add ounces, and this deposit continues to be open. It's actually pretty remarkable.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things when you talk about putting ounces on the board. As someone right now, when you look at what's actually happening today, it's April 11th. We've got gold sitting at close to $2,000. It's floating at all-time highs. And here you guys are saying, we've got gold to put on the ounce board, right? So for me, if I'm watching the scoreboard out here, I'm going, okay, you've got Banyan over here putting some gold up on the board. How much gold are we looking at putting to the supply this next year? Is that even something we could talk about today?
So, our resource is a long way from actually being mined. You have to do your resource and then you do your permitting and studies to get there. But having a significant scale resource, most of the majors are looking for 5 million ounce plus deposits. There aren't very many of them, particularly in tier 1 jurisdictions where you can actually permit. So that's really what makes us unique. And the metric that we use is what does it cost us per ounce? In our last resource, we were under $5 per ounce. Or if you looked at every meter that we drilled, we added 70 ounces per meter that we drilled. This is an inferred resource, 100-meter spaced hole. So there's a radius around the hole that you add ounces. So that's a pretty good record. I'm not sure there are many other companies out there that do that. We think we're still continuing to add ounces for less than $5 an ounce. Or pretty close to that. Even with inflation, we are very focused and efficient explorers. We started this year with $19 million. We plan to keep a very healthy treasury in this market. So we plan to end the year with about 8 million, but that gives us lots of runway to do the work we need to do this year to continue to add ounces. We'll drill 25,000 meters, do our baseline studies, continue our metallurgical work. It's going to be a really exciting year for us. And we've got a great team out there already executing on it.
Man, I'm just really excited about that. Like I said, for me, when I see that there are people who are actually getting the gold and finding it, and that's what I'm here for. I'm excited to see more of that. And I'm hoping that when we go to the symposium, we'll even be able to talk more about this. So as we get more updates, please, let's be in touch because I want to know exactly what's going on with that resource there. And I'll be doing updates on AurMac as well. So please, thank you so much for your time today. And we look forward to having you again.
Thank you. Look forward to seeing you on the Yukon this year.